Todd, give me your thoughts on long-term care insurance.
I love it.
Yeah, I do too. Tell me why you love it.
Well, people think as elder law attorneys and we do Medicaid and VA, they think we don't like long-term care insurance. I love it.
Yeah, sure.
Please do it. It saves the taxpayers money. My problem with it, though, is I think people buy it when they don't need it. Okay.
All right.
And there are typically two types of people who don't need it. If you're, very modest in assets, and generally modest, I say 300,000 or less.
Okay.
Then we can get you on Medicaid pretty quick. Okay. The first spouse. And then if you're, quote, rich, millions of dollars, probably paying $5,000 or $6,000, $7,000 a month is not going to kill you financially.
And to qualify for Medicaid means turning loose of control of a lot more assets.
Exactly. Sure. And the other issue is if you're adamant that you want a lot of home care, Medicaid's not real good at home care. They will do some, but they determine how much you need. And if you want 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day, probably long-term care insurance is the only way you can pay for that. But my issue is people buy long-term care insurance with $100,000, $200,000, and the payment is stressing them out, and they really don't need it because we can get them on Medicaid very quickly and save them that money.
I was talking with a New York Life agent the other day, and one thing that we agreed on, and we didn't really stumble on it, it was just part of the discussion. Oftentimes with Medicaid, where we have a 5-year look-back period that, by the way, people have heard about, they don't really understand how it works, and we should have a discussion about that. But sometimes it's a great idea for people to purchase a 5-year long-term care policy in order to cover that time frame when they are needing to make or have made transfers out of their estate so they can qualify for Medicaid later on.
Sure. And please don't think I dislike it. I just said I love it. And even in the $200,000 or $300,000 range person, it does give us some options. But
right.
I just see people that are struggling to
right.
make the payment when they really don't have to.
And again, it comes down to evaluating your situation correctly. And in order to do that, people really ought to consult with professionals, not just attorneys, but with the insurance industry as well.
Yeah. And I have purposely not got my license so that I can give honest, unbiased advice on that to say, yes, you need it. And, oh yeah, by the way, I can sell it to you. People think, well, did I really need it or not? If
right.
I tell you that you need it, go to someone else and buy it. You probably really do need it.
And we have some great partnerships with people in the area
sure.
that help us in that way.
Yeah.